Good morning, dear students. Welcome back. Hope you all are doing fine and you people are understanding what I'm explaining. In case if you have doubts, kindly note down and log into the Zoom meeting. You can clarify your doubts in the Zoom meeting, which is scheduled on every Thursday between 2 to 3. Welcome back to the class of Boolean algebra. Last class I was explaining you about the construction of truth tables, and we started one example which we were not able to complete, and the example was x y z bar plus x bar y bar z. So I was explaining how we can draw a truth table when there are three variables. When there are three variables, there are possibility of getting 8 combination of inputs. Let us check out how these 8 combinations can be represented in the truth table. So x, y and z I have taken. As there are 8 possible values, let me just draw the 8 inputs to represent 8 inputs. So now we have the three variables, and with the three variables, 8 combination of values. Let us start with the last bit. That is the last variable, that is z. Okay. So first value will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1. The next variable, that is y. So here you are representing 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. Then the next variable, the next bit will change with 4 zeros and 4 ones. This is how we represent it's an easy method of representing the inputs to the given variables. Let us check if there is any complements in the input. So with three variables, we can have x, y, z. Then the next step is to find whether there are any complements in the complements in the expression. So you can see here there is z bar, x bar and y bar. That means there is x complement, y complement and z complement required. So let us represent all the three complements in the next columns, x bar, y bar and z bar. So here if it is 0, we need to put 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. The complement of 1 is 0. 0 complement is 1. Similarly, y complement will be 2 ones, 2 zeros. 2 ones and 2 zeros. Similarly, x complement will be 4 ones and 4 zeros. Like this. Now, the next step is we need to represent each expression as a column in the truth table. Let us take the first column where we have x, y and z bar. So, x, y and z bar. We need to add x, y and z bar. So, here we have x, we have z, y and z bar. 0, 0, 1. When we add 0, 0, 1, the output is 0. 0, 0, 0 is 0. 0, 1, 1 is 0. 0, 1, 0 is again 0. 1, 0, 1 is 0. As we know that for AND, all the input should be 1. Even if one input is 0, the output is 0. So X, Y, you can see here, X, Y, Z bar. This is X, Y and Z bar. These three columns we are ANDing. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 is 0. 1, 1, 1 is 1. 1, 1, 0 is again 0. So like this we have got X, Y, Z bar. Let us move on to the next column, that is X bar, Y bar, Z. That is X bar, Y bar, Z. These three columns. Okay. X bar, Y bar, Z. So here we have X bar, Y bar, Z. X bar, Y bar and Z. These three columns we have to AND. 0, 1, 1 is 0. 1, 1, 1 is 1. 0, 1, 0 is 0. 1, 1, 0 is 0. 0, 0, 1 is 0. 1, 0, 1 is 0. 0, 0, 0 is 0. 1, 0, 0 is 0. Now, as we have got these two expressions, X, Y, Z bar and X bar, Y bar, Z, we need to OR, because there is plus, we need to OR X, Y, Z bar and X bar, Y bar, Z. So the next column will be X, Y, Z bar plus X bar, Y bar, Z. Zero plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 0 is 0. So this is how we have got X, Y, Z bar plus X bar, Y bar, Z. Let us start constructing the truth table for X, Y, Z bar. Let me repeat again. So kindly listen carefully. Now we will draw the truth table. We will see the steps how to construct a truth table for X, Y, Z bar plus X bar, Y bar, Z. The very first step is we need to find or we need to check the total number of variables. The total number of variables in the given Boolean expression is 3. X, Y, Z. So, as there are 3 variables, each variable can take 2 values, 2 binary values, that is 0 or 1. With 3 variables, there is possibility of 8 combination of values. So, we have taken X, Y, Z, 3 variables. Then we can change 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones. After representing the total number of variables present in the Boolean expression, the next step is we need to find whether there are any complements. So, is there any complement in the input, in the expression? Yes, there is Z bar, X bar, Y bar. So, there are all the 3 combinations X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Let us represent these complements. X bar. So, you need to complement this column. So, there is 4 zeros, 4 ones. So, here you will be getting 4 ones and 4 zeros. Then Y bar. Y bar is 2 zeros, 2 ones. So, here there will be 2 ones, 2 zeros. 2 ones, 2 zeros. Similarly, the Z column has 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So, Z bar will be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. The complement of Z. Now, The next step is, after representing each variable and then the complement, the next step is we need to represent the individual expressions. The individual expressions is x, y, z bar. So first check, is x available? Yes. Is y available? Yes. Is z bar available? Yes, z bar is here. Now we need to AND x, y, z bar. This is x, y and z bar, these two coins. 0, 0, 0 and 0 ANDed with 1 is 0, because AND says if any one of the input is 0, the output is 0. If all the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1, otherwise it is 0. Then we will take this one. 0, 0, 0 is 0. 0, 1, 1 is 0. 0, 1, 0 is 0. 1, 0, 1 is 0. 1, 0, 0 is 0. 1, 1, 1 is 1. 1, 1, 0 is again 0. Then we take the next expression, that is x bar, y bar, z. So x bar here we have, y bar here we have, z. So we need to add these three columns. 0, 1, 1. 0 added with 1 and 1 is again 0. 1, 1, 1 is 1. 0, 1, 0 is 0. 1, 1, 0 is 0. 0, 0, 1 is again 0. 1, 0, 0 is 0. 0, 0, 1 is 0. 1, 0, 0 is 0. So we will get only 1 here because all the three values are 1. Here there are 0, so you will be getting 0. Now, as we have got x, y, z bar and x bar, y bar, z, let us OR. Plus means OR. These two we have to OR. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 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 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is again 0. So this is how we construct the truth table for three variables. Kindly note down the expression and the truth table. In case if you have any difficulties in understanding or constructing, kindly log in into the Zoom meeting app Thursday 2 to 3. I will be there. I will be helping you with this. So let us move on. Hope you have understood this. It's quite easy if you follow. It's easy. Even if you have any issues, any problems, kindly contact me. I will be helping you in making you understand. Let us see few more examples given in the textbook. Kindly all of you try this one. So you can try by yourself. If you have any difficulties, kindly contact me. I will be helping you. X bar, y, z bar plus x, y bar. So kindly note down this and kindly note down this expression and then you try to construct a truth table for this. Let us see one more example which is given in the textbook. Prepare truth table for the following Boolean algebraic expression. And the expression given here is is, so let's represent x, y, z, and then let us represent if there is any complement in the expression. The complement in the expression we have y bar and z bar. So y bar, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. So we are representing 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros. Similarly, the complement of z. So z column you can see as 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So here we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now, first let us plus means or, y bar and z bar. So we have y bar column, we have z bar column. Let us or y bar and z bar. So 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. Plus means or. To perform or operation, if any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. Now we have got this y bar plus z bar. Let us add this with x. These two has to be ANDed. So x ANDed with y bar and z bar. Even if there is no dot, bracket means we need to multiply. We have to perform the logical multiplication, that is AND operation. So now x means this column, y bar plus z means this column. These two have to AND. 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and with 0 is 0. So now we have got this column, that is x ANDed with y bar plus z bar. Now we shall AND x and y bar. X and y bar. So here you can say x ANDed with, this is bracket means you need to AND. Even if there is no dot, we need to perform AND operation. So first we have to OR y bar z bar, then we have to AND it with x. Then we have x and y bar. So we have x and y bar, both we have to AND. Then the column that we are getting after x ANDed with y bar plus z bar should be ORed with x, y bar. So here first we will see how many variables. There are 3 variables. We are representing x, y and z. Then we will see if there is any complements. So there are 2 complements, that is y bar and z bar. So we are representing y bar and z bar. How we are getting y bar? Opposite of y. How we are getting z bar? Complement of z, that is opposite of z. If there is 0, write 1. If there is 1, write 0. Now first we will perform this operation within the bracket, that is y bar plus z. So y bar plus z, that means these two we have to OR. OR means, plus means OR operation. If there is any one input, there is 1 in the input, the output should be 1. Otherwise it is 0. So it is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. When all the inputs are 0, the output is 0. Here there is 1 or with 1, output is 1. 1 or with 0, output is 1. 0 or with 1, output is 1. 0 or with 0, the output is 0. We have got this column. Now this has to be ANDed with x. This has to be ANDed with x. So 0 ANDed with 1 is 0. 0 ANDed with 1 is 0. 0 added with 1 is 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 1 added with 1 is 1. 1 added with 1 is 1. 1 added with 1 is 1. 1 added with 0 is 0. So now we have got x added with y bar plus z bar. Now we need to perform x y bar. That is, we have got x column here, y bar. These two we have to AND. 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 0, 0. 1 and 1 is 1. 1 added with 1 is 1. 1 added with 0 is 0. 1 added with 0 is 0. So now we have got x y bar column. We have got x added with y bar plus z bar as well as x y bar. Now we have to OR. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus is nothing but OR. Either we can say 0 plus 0 or we can say 0 or 0. 0 or 0, 0. 0 or 0, 0. 0 or 0, 0. 0 or 0, 0. 1 or 1 is 1. 1 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. So like this we can draw the truth table for the given Boolean expression. In case if there is an expression within the parenthesis or the brackets, kindly do the AND operation like we have done here. X is ANDed with y bar plus z bar. Hope you have understood this. Kindly go through the columns again, how we have taken the values, how we have got. So by looking at this, you will not understand. Only you have to take a pen, kindly draw the columns and you start putting the values, and then you will know how the values will come, how to construct. Kindly practice, kindly download the textbook if you have, and kindly solve or construct the truth tables for the given expressions in the textbooks, and then practice it, you will understand. If you have any doubts, kindly make a note. You can clarify with me in the Zoom meeting. I shall be there to help you out. So let us see one more example. Let us draw one more example given in the textbook. Let us draw the truth table for that. So the next Boolean expression for which we will be drawing the truth table here is A B bar plus C plus C bar whole ANDed with A. A B bar plus C plus C bar. So let us get started and let us start drawing the truth table for this given Boolean expression. As I keep telling, the first step is we need to check the number of variables present in the Boolean expression. The number of variables present in the Boolean expression is A, B and C. So, in total, there are 3 variables A, B and C. As I told earlier, with 3 variables, there is a possibility of 8 combination of values. Let's get started and let's represent these 3 columns in our truth table. A, B and C. So for ABC, so you know how to give the input. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. 4 zeros and 4 ones. The next step is we need to check if there are any complements in the Boolean expression. So here we have two complements, that is B bar and C bar. Let's write the complement of B and the complement of C. So B bar and C bar. So C bar is 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Then we have B, that is 2 zeros means 2 ones. Again 2 ones will be 2 zeros, 2 ones will be 2 zeros will be 2 ones and 2 ones will be 2 zeros. Now, first we have to OR B bar plus C. B bar and C. These two we need to OR. So, first let us start with B bar plus C, that is this expression. B bar plus C. So B bar, that is 1, OR with 0 is 1. 1 or 1 is 1. 0 or with 0 is 0. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1. 1 or 1 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. 1 or 0 is 1. These two columns you have to do OR. Any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. Both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. Then we have got this column. Let us OR with C bar. B bar plus C ORed with C bar. So the next column is B bar plus C, then ORed with C bar. So B bar plus C ORed with C bar. 1 or 1 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1. 1 or 1 is 1. So 0 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1. So now we have got B bar plus C bar. Now this whole thing has to be ANDed with A. So A is ANDed with B bar plus C bar. The last column, it has to be ORed with A. Sorry, ANDed with A. So here we have B bar plus C bar. This column has to be ANDed with the first column A. 0 and 1 is 0. 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 Now 1 and 1 is 1. 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 So we can say that A ANDed with B bar plus C bar. Sorry, B bar plus C ORed with C bar